Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today let's dive into the Motorola Razr Ultra 2025, the next big thing in foldable tech. It just made a splash on Geekbench, and there's a lot to unpack here. First off, the name. Motorola's ditching its usual naming conventions for Ultra. Bold move, right? This shift hints at a new direction for the Razr lineup, aiming to stand out in the competitive foldable market. Now let's talk hardware. The Razr Ultra 2025 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This beast of a chip promises top-tier performance, featuring a powerful octa-core setup with a prime core clocked at 3.2 GHz. On Geekbench, it scored an impressive 1200 in single-core and a whopping 3800 in multi-core. That's some serious power under the hood, and it doesn't stop there. The device comes with 12 GB of RAM and runs on Android 15. Expect smooth multitasking, faster app launches, and the latest Android features fresh out of the box. So what does this mean for the Razr Ultra 2025? Well, it positions itself as a flagship foldable, ready to compete with the best. Imagine seamless gaming, effortless multitasking, and a stunning foldable display. Plus, there's speculation about new camera tech, enhanced battery life, and maybe even improved durability. The anticipation is real. With its cutting-edge specs and a fresh naming strategy, the Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 could redefine what a foldable smartphone can be. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest in tech. Catch you in the next one.